Hello students, today I am here to share few tips with you that will help you to score well in your English communicative paper. The question paper that you will get will have questions of 80 marks. But this 80 marks has been divided into 3 sections. The first section is your reading section. Now coming to this reading section, a passage will be given and you have to answer the questions that are there along with it. The tip of getting good marks is first read the questions and then read the text. This will help you to establish a link between the questions and the text, and so you will be able to answer correctly. Coming to the second part. The second part is your writing and grammar section. Now for the writing section, the best way to score well is please be thorough with the format of formal letter, of message writing and notice writing, because the format has some marks. Coming to the second half, that is your grammar section. Now in your grammar section, these questions are actually application based. Now if you have to apply something, you have to know the rules first. So be completely aware of the grammar rules, keep them on your tips. And so if they are there, it's like maths, if you answer them correctly, you will get the complete score for the grammar section. Coming to the third part, that is the literature section. Now literature has the syllabus is quite huge, but since there are reference to context type of questions, you have to give a good reading through your textbooks. You should know from which text or from which story a single line has been picked up. Alright, after that, coming to your lengthy questions. Now for lengthy questions, they will actually check how well you are able to write the answers, whether you are able to, bring out your creativity, your imagination. For that, you have to practice learning answers. So questions where they will ask you to interpret the plot of a story or interpret the values of the text or the characters of the novels. So these kinds of questions, if you know how to write and what to write, there is no stopping from getting very, very good marks. And I know all of you will score really well. So all the best, everyone.